What's up, guys? This is the first time that I've actually driven my GT3RS on the freeway, which I'm pretty excited about. Just picked her up from SS Customs in Redwood City. Shout out to Shareef, Sean, Alli, Mike, and the guys over there for getting the PPF done on the car. Now it's time to bring this thing over to Trackspec Autosports in Fremont to get this thing ready for its first track day. So we're going to be doing track alignment, we're going to be lowering the ride height, we're going to be installing a roll bar, and a bunch of other goodies that I'll tell you about later.